Welcome back to the channel where we bring you powerful, science-backed tips to help you move better, feel stronger, and age gracefully. If your legs feel stiff when you wake up, if your knees crack when you climb stairs, or if joint pain slows you down, this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into the top 3 collagen-rich foods you need to eat if you want to rebuild and protect your joints, ligaments, and leg muscles. Whether you're an athlete, a busy parent, or a senior trying to stay active, these foods can transform how you move and feel. So grab a notebook or just sit back and listen, because we're unlocking the real natural ways to nourish your joints from the inside out. Let's get started. Before we jump into the food list, let's talk about collagen, because understanding what it is and why it matters is the first step to healing your joints. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's the glue that holds your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments together. Think of it like the scaffolding that supports your entire body, especially your joints and legs. There are different types of collagen, but type 1, 2, and 3 are the most important for joint health and muscle integrity. Type I helps with bones, skin, and tendons. Type 2 is crucial for cartilage, the cushion between your joints. Type 3 supports blood vessels and muscle structure. As we age, especially after 30, our collagen production starts to decline. That's why joints feel stiffer, muscles recover slower, and skin loses elasticity. But here's the good news. By eating the right collagen-rich foods, you can stimulate your body to produce more collagen naturally. Now let's get into the top 3 foods that can help. Coming in at number 1 is a powerhouse that many people overlook: bone broth. This isn't your average soup stock. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones, connective tissues, and cartilage for 12 to 24 hours. This slow cooking process extracts a rich concentration of collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin, all the compounds your joints desperately need. Here's how it works in your body. The gelatin in bone broth transforms into collagen in your system, directly supporting your joint linings and muscle repair. Glucosamine and chondroitin reduce inflammation and improve the lubrication inside your knees and hips. It also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which strengthen your bones, essential for anyone with leg pain or weak joints. Drinking 1 cup of bone broth per day may help. Rebuild worn-out cartilage, increase joint flexibility, reduce stiffness in the legs, improve your skin's elasticity. If you're recovering from an injury, dealing with arthritis, or just trying to move better as you age, bone broth is your best friend. You can buy it ready-made, or make it at home using leftover chicken bones, beef marrow bones, or fish heads. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar to extract the nutrients more effectively and let it simmer low and slow. And yes, don't be afraid of that jelly-like texture when it cools. That's pure collagen gold. Food number 2 on our list: wild-caught salmon with the skin on. Now, salmon isn't just a heart-healthy fish, it's a collagen-boosting powerhouse, especially when you eat the skin. The skin of salmon contains type 1 collagen, which helps maintain strong tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues in the legs and knees, but that's not all. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers behind joint pain, stiffness, and cartilage breakdown. Here's what eating salmon 2 to 3 times a week can do. Reduce knee swelling and stiffness, support the growth of new cartilage, boost blood flow to the leg muscles, speed up recovery from exercise or injury. What's more, salmon is also rich in vitamin D, which helps maintain bone density. And don't forget the astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from oxidative stress. So next time you're cooking salmon, leave the skin on. Grill it, bake it, or pan-sear it for that delicious crispy texture. You'll be feeding your joints the nutrients they crave. Food number 3 may surprise you. It's eggs, especially whole eggs with both the whites and the yolks. Egg whites are a rich source of proline, an amino acid that your body needs to build its own collagen. The yolks are loaded with sulfur, biotin, and vitamin B12, all crucial cofactors for collagen synthesis. Here's why that matters. Proline gives collagen its strength and flexibility. Sulfur helps form the crosslinks that stabilize collagen fibers. Biotin and B12 support tissue regeneration and cell repair. Eating whole eggs 3 to 5 times a week can help. Stimulate your body's own collagen production. Strengthen the ligaments in your legs and ankles, support healthy skin and connective tissue, improve muscle recovery after walking or workouts. For maximum benefits, cook your eggs in healthy fats like olive oil or grass-fed butter. And don't worry about the cholesterol myth. More recent research shows that moderate egg consumption is safe for most people and highly nutritious. Add them to a breakfast scramble, a veggie stir-fry, or just boil a few for an on-the-go snack. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about how to get the most out of these foods. Collagen needs a few key nutrients to be absorbed and activated properly. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli. It's essential for converting proline into usable collagen. Zinc and copper, found in nuts, seeds, and shellfish. These minerals support collagen cross-linking and repair. Hydration. Water keeps your joints lubricated and helps transport collagen throughout your body. And remember, sugar and ultra-processed foods can damage collagen and speed up aging. So limit the junk food if you want your joints to thrive. So there you have it, 3 of the most collagen-rich foods you can eat to protect and strengthen your legs and joints. Bone broth salmon with skin whole eggs. Plus some powerful bonus tips to boost your collagen naturally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on how to feel stronger, move better, and live healthier, no matter your age. Leave a comment below and let me know. Which of these foods are you going to try first, or do you already eat some of them? Thanks for listening, and until next time, take care of your joints, and they'll take care of you. Subscribe Health/YouTube channel for more informative videos.